Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add wholesale pricing in WooCommerce 2026. So actually guys, I will guide you through using wholesale pricing plugin, and that's the best and recommended method. Okay, so this is the standard way in 2026, requires no coding, scalable and secure. So we will work with the wholesale suite, and that's the most popular plugin, okay, and that's the best overall pricing rules, minimums and tax rules. So what it does, this plugin it creates the wholesale user rules, sets the wholesale prices for products, set minimum order quantities and values, hide prices from retail users, and set tax and shipping rules for wholesale. So the setup steps are go in with the plugins option just on your left hand menu, so you will need just to click it and then just go and click on browse plugins option, and after that you will need to type right here wholesale suite. Okay, so just go ahead, click it and go with wholesale suite B2B dynamic price and WooCommerce wholesale prices. So just click on that option and click on download, and after that just go ahead and activate it. And inside that plugin you will need to create a wholesale customer rule, and it is a product, so you'll need to set the wholesale price and assign users to the wholesale rule. That plugin supports simple and variable products, works with most themes. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.